Okay, so now we're going to take and offset it a little the other way. Now, this one's a little trickier. I have to duplicate this and put it on top. But I need to know how big a brick is. Okay, and to do that, I'm going to be looking at my ruler primarily and to find out how many pixels it is from here. Okay, so right here it would indicate that we're roughly looking at like 5-10 pixels here. All right, we can figure this out by just going in here and making a small line. Okay, and I'm going to use the line tool, and I'm going to use it with pixels. So I'm going to take this and draw a small line right there. Now, you might want it a little bit bigger as far as pixels go, maybe like 5 pixels. And again, this is all going to be depending upon what you're doing. There we go. And what I'm going to do is go filter, other, offset. Okay. Now I started that at the very top. So I'm going to put this at 0. And I'm going to offset this down until it goes to the next brick. So roughly this line, that line needs to meet. Okay, I'm just going to mentally make note of that. And about 105. There we go. Good. All right. Well, now that's offset. So, and it's offset in such a way that it should line up quite well. I should be able to now go and erase chunks out of here. And the texture seams will match up. Yeah, I know. Pretty cool trick, right? Yeah. Don't tell everybody or they'll all use it. So I'm just wiping out whole sections every once in a while just to get rid of this pattern. I'm not worried about it being tileable anymore. So it's not like I can't do this over and over. All right, next. We throw a little bit of voodoo its way. And I do that by taking a brush and making a new layer, grabbing some color, I don't care what it is, I'm going to use a dark red, using some kind of textured brush. I'm going to go in here every once in a while and stain the brick. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Just a few more of these every once in a while. Kind of vary them up in size. And then we're going to take this and lower the opacity or put it on a multiply layer and then lower the opacity. There we go. Cool. Now, let's take the entire thing, edit, copy, merge, edit, paste, and then resharpen it up because you've lost a lot of sharpness when you went this route. And you can see that stain just blends right into the brick. I can barely tell it's tileable. Once in a while I'll see these bricks and those probably give it away, but you can see how it tinted the other ones. There we go. If you zoom in, you can see the true resolution of this. Alright, well that's it for the snap. I can go File, Save As, and now instead of snap, I'm going to save this as without any layers. We're going to call it Building 1 Color Map. Okay. I'm not going to have any alpha channels, and I don't want it as a, well, I'm going to have to save it as a copy, I guess. I want none for the compression. Okay. So now that we've done that, in the next video I want to apply it to the building.